Well, a local healthcare provider, Kaiser Permanente, wants the transgender community to know that they are making their health concerns a top priority, even after Pride Month comes to a close. Joining me this morning is Dr. Frank Lang with Kaiser Permanente to bring awareness to the services being offered in our community. Good morning, Dr. Lang. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning again. Thank you.
Yes, thanks for coming back. So speaking on behalf of Kaiser Permanente, what kind of training does your staff undergo to ensure the quality care for the transgender community?
That's a great question. So what we do is do training not only for physicians, but also all our support staff to make sure that people are aware of common courtesy issues around transgender patients, around using the right name, using the right pronouns in how you address patients. We've gone the extra step of re-engineering our medical health record so that right from the beginning at check-in, folks know that the right name to address people by and the right pronouns. So that's a big part of how we accomplish that.
Yeah, great to hear about the quality care being offered. Now, what are some resources that are available to Kaiser members who are considering transitioning?
So I'm happy and proud to say that Kaiser Permanente is a leader in this arena. We offer all aspects of transgender care, not only just solid affirming primary care, but also hormone treatments and a full cadre of different surgical treatments. In the last few years, we've managed to actually internalize all those resources. So we actually have our own physicians and surgeons doing all the different types of surgeries that might be appropriate for gender-affirming care.
Absolutely. And since that transition process is really a lifelong process, what does Kaiser do to offer consistent care throughout someone's entire life?
Well, we do a lot to try and help pair patients with physicians that have gone through extra training to provide gender-affirming care, as well as build that relationship with patients and their specialists who also may be continuing hormone treatments or ongoing surgical treatments. But really, once folks have transitioned, they're just living their life authentically, and we are there to support their care through their entire life, well, just like anybody else.
Absolutely. That extra support and attention to detail is so important. So we do want to show our viewers at home a list of local resources outside of Kaiser for those interested in learning more about the transgender community. But thank you so much, Dr. Frank Lang, for joining us this morning and detailing Kaiser Permanente's efforts to care for this community. Thank you.
Happy to be here. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Is there a story you think we should investigate? Call our Eyewitness News tip line at 869-2929.